Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can draw on photos on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is open Google Files. There we go. Now over here we need to find and select the photo that we want to draw on. So I'm gonna go to Images, and then let's say I want to draw on this photo over here. Now what we need to do is tap on this pen icon in the bottom right corner. After that we want to switch the mode at the bottom to markup, and then we have pen. If we tap on pen, then we can also select the color, and then we can start drawing something on the photo. Of course we can switch the color. If you want to, you can also use the highlighter instead, and if you want to clear everything, then you have the clear button, and you also have the undo button in the middle at the bottom, so you can delete your last action. And once you are done, you want to tap the done button, of course, and then we can save the copy, and there we go. Now if you go back, then we should have the edited photo with our draw on it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.